Welcome. If you're looking to keep your message activity private on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide read receipts on X when using your PC, following the latest update. With just a few clicks, you can stop others from seeing when you've read their direct messages, giving you more control over your privacy and how you interact online. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This will open up a drop-down menu with additional options. Next, from this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account's main settings page. Now, in the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can control various aspects of your account's privacy, including who can contact you and how your activity is shared. Within Privacy and Safety, look for the option called Direct Messages. Click on it, and you'll see a setting labeled Show Read Receipts. By default, this box is usually checked, which means people can see when you've read their messages. To hide your read receipts, simply uncheck this box. That's all it takes. Once you've unchecked Show Read Receipts, your contacts will no longer be notified when you read their direct messages. Keep in mind, though, that this also means you won't be able to see when others have read your messages either. It's a two-way street. With this quick adjustment, you can enjoy a bit more privacy and take the pressure off responding right away. If you ever want to turn read receipts back on, just follow these same steps and check the box again. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips on managing your privacy and getting the most out of X, don't forget to check out our other guides. Stay safe and enjoy your messaging experience.